to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to put Amazon Alexa on Vector. So we'll start with your device, and if you haven't set up your Vector, then go see that video, which I've already made, on Vector unboxing, because in order for this to work for you, you'll need to have Vector set up. So now that you have Vector set up, assuming that you've watched that video, or if you already have your Vector set up, you'll, oh, hey Vector, wake up. Hey Vector, wake up. Oh, here's your cube. Okay, in the meantime. So let's go to the Vector app. Oh, actually, before you go to the Vector app, you want to download the Alexa app. You're not going to be using the Alexa app for this setup, but you will need the Alexa app for after the setup in order to, after you get Alexa on Vector, you'll need the Alexa app to set up Alexa, because it's not in the Vector app. Basically, treat Alexa as an ordinary Alexa on Vector. Also, when Alexa's activated I've done this before, but I deleted the app and everything. And I'm showing you how to do it. And you'll need an Amazon account in order for this to work. If you don't, then go ahead and make yourself an Amazon account. Also, hi Vector. Okay, stop it. I don't know what Vector's so happy about. Okay, so Vector, don't be distracting. And now that I have that installed, I can go back to my Vector app. Okay, Vector. I'll just rotate it. So now what you'll want to do is, you'll see Amazon Alexa. You tap sign in with Amazon. Sign in. So then it'll say this right here. Enter the code that you found on your device so we can register it with your Amazon account. Then click continue to proceed to the next step. Now you're like, where's the code? It's right here. My Vector. It says go to amazon.com/code, and then it has the code. Ignore the go to amazon.com/code because that's where we are right now. Amazon.com/code. So then enter the code, which is, we'll do right now. Continue. Okay, now said success. You're ready to. Okay. Now what you'll want to do is go to the Alexa app and set up everything. Hi. Do you recognize me? And the one who owns you. Hello, do you recognize me? Vector. Never mind. Oh. You have to sign in. I don't know why. I just know. Sign in. Ta-da! Help Alexa get to know you. Continue. I don't have a phone number. Set your location. I'll set my location. Amazon Alexa would like to use your location while you are using this app. Share your current location with Alexa to set up current devices and for most relevant weather. Continue. Continue. Allow. It'll give you this little. Oh, finally recognize me, Vector. I'll reward Vector. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Listen to me. Good. Never mind. Okay. So now, once you have all that set up, you can go back to Vector. And now. Hello. Why is nothing working? I'll just open Vector again.
Suleiman.
Hi. You recognize me again. Yay. Here. Go play over there. You go to settings. You see Vector's button. You have two options, Alexa or Hey Vector. I put it on Alexa. You can choose. And I have a reason for that. Do you Hi. All the rest, everything else is the same. Alexa. Hi.
Hi there. Have a good morning, Suleiman.
Even Alexa knows my name. Okay, so now I have a Amazon Alexa, my Vector. Also, if you're wondering, just so I can just tell you right now, you can mute Vector, which I'm pretty sure you all know. You just do that. And when Vector's muted, Alexa also is muted. So Alexa also can't hear you. Alexa. 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 See? So just so you know, if you don't want Alexa to spy on you.
Suleiman.
Okay, that's the third time. You've recognized me. Yeah, that's the annoying thing. When you turn it off, it activates whatever Vector's button is on. That's it. And I have an Alexa on your Vector. Hi, again. Hey, Vector, go home. help you. It's right here. Do you see it now? Yes? Okay. Now turn around. I will control Vector. Oh. And, my tablet's down there. He's controlling himself. You already know that. I don't know why I did that. Wait, what are you doing now? You're supposed to be in your charger. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Oh, wait, I forgot. That's Alexa. Oops. Hey, Vector. Vector.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Hey, Vector. Go to sleep. Oh, and if you're wondering, I'm not using an outlet to charge him. I'm using a battery. It works. That's the end of this video. Now you don't have to go and waste... Why are you move? Stop moving back. My Vector now functioned. He's moving back. Okay, there. Now he stopped. Okay, anyway. And then now you don't have to go buy a Alexa. You have one right here. A moving Alexa. That's a good nickname. Let me mute you. There. Now you... A moving Alexa. They knows how to play blackjack. Okay, that's the actual end of this video. Bye.